Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew, and this is new third video about AI. And today we'll just have a quick video about how we can create a custom functionality and custom communication with AI in our Drupal site. So for that, let's go again to AI API Explorer. Let's try to use chat as example. And again, what and again ask some question ChatGPT to get response. Okay, we get response and very strange response. We are using model 4.0 and he said on 3.5 architecture. Interesting. Okay. Never mind. So we have code and which actually giving out this response, and we can use that code. I just prepared some simple custom model for our project. I can show you a structure of that model. So we have info file, service file. So let's check what we have here. So I have created the one service which actually do communication with the AI, and the code actually you can see which was provided by AI API Explorer. And this code just was a little bit integrated in Drupal best practices. So, so what the service will do, it will generate random prediction for today. And then I created custom block which will use the service and output this random bright prediction. So that's super simple. So if you need that code, uh, let me know in the comments. I will provide you a link to download. And then what we just need to do, uh, just as this block, let's add this block to our structure, block layout. This is admin theme gene. Let's place block pre-content. Oh, this model not enabled yet. So let's go to list of models. Yeah, custom UI. Let's install it. Okay. Now let's go again to block layer. Yes, custom AI breach prediction. Let's play this block. In general, this is no matter for today. Let's save. And we already can see some predictions from AI. And yeah, so each time we will reload page, it will be different. So that's super simple use case. I'm suggesting to use communication between Drupal and AI in queue or on cron, and because as many content should be generated, so it will be longer time take to execute query. So please keep in mind that it can be some performance issues. Yeah, and also try to use cache and cache context depends of your tasks. So yeah, basically that's it. Thank you for your attention and see you in next videos.